Having trouble logging into Threads? Here's a quick guide to fix login problems and get back in fast. First, check internet. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data. Threads need strong, stable internet to log you in. Update Threads and Instagram, so launch Play Store or App Store, search Threads and Instagram. Tap Update if you see it. Old versions break login. Next, restart the app Threads. So launch Threads, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, close it, and again relaunch it. Next up, log out everywhere and log in back. So launch Instagram, navigate to Settings and Activity page. Scroll all the way down, click on Log Out, click on Log Out again. Once you log out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back. Next up, reinstall Threads. For that, navigate to the app Threads, press and hold on it, click on the option Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Then navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Threads, and then install it. With all these solutions, you'll be good to go. You should be able to log into your Threads account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.